Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Crochet and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm showing you some of the amazing and beautiful crochet table runner designs. These table runner designs are varies in shape and size according to the shape of the table. These designs includes the pineapple stitch and the 3D stitches. Some of the crochet table runner designs are made in a sequence without any joint, while some other designs are made by joining different motifs to form a single table runner. Some of the crochet designs are made from the most famous pineapple stitches, while some are in a circular form in a shape of a flower. But every design has its own beauty. The use of thread is even varies from thin to thick. There are also some designs in which a piece of cloth is stitched in the center of the table runner design, which gives a very beautiful look to the design. These beautiful designs enhances the beauty of tables in your homes, while the size of the table runners are varies according to the size of table from long to short. These are repetition of same stitches again and again, so it is not difficult to make a table runner once you learn the design. These crochet table runners gives a refreshing and elegant look to your home. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family. And for more new ideas, do tune to my channel by subscribing my channel and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel. At the end of this video, you will get some of the amazing crochet pattern. So do watch this video till the end. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to my channel.